We'll guide you through how to deactivate or delete a Facebook account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Deactivating is temporary and you can get it back, so if you need a break, this is great, but if you want to go and permanently delete your account, then the delete option is going to be for you. What we need to do is go and press menu in the bottom or top right, then on the menu page, go and press the gear or clock icon in the top right. At the top, you can go and press Account Center. Now you want to go down and find the option for personal details in account settings. And in here, you can press account ownership and control. Here, you can then press deactivation or deletion, choose the account you want to do it with. You can then choose between deactivate account and delete account. Make sure you understand what it's going to do. Then you can go and press continue with your option selected. Now we can go and scroll down, make sure you understand everything that's going to go and happen here and what you're going to lose. You can give that and press continue. Then make sure you read this through. But when you go and reactivate, you can tap at the bottom and I will do this to not automatically. Then you can go and press continue. And if you're sure, you can go down and press deactivate my account.